Hello, in this video I'm going to be covering the rich text box, which, like all elements, can be added from the toolbar. It's this icon here. The hover over tooltip will say Insert Rich Text. I already have one added, but I can just go ahead and add another one here. And this is one of the more simple layout elements as far as the properties go. You have your typical layout, location and size. You can set it to be locked so you can't move it around. You can change the background or add a neat line, as I've covered in other videos before. Cannot change the text here, and the text hint, which just uses some different system settings to display the font. The default for that is basically always good. So as far as the rich text box goes, it's really just something that you double click on. It opens up the rich text editor, and from here you have all of the options you might be used to in some sort of text editing software, Microsoft Word, Evernote, any of these that you're used to using. You can make a bulleted list, and you can change the size. You can make bold. You can do just about anything that you're used to being able to do in other programs. Because it is sort of a special add-on for Atlas, all of the properties are going to be set inside this text box, and you're not going to really need to deal with the element properties. And once you get something set the way you like it, or maybe you want to have a title that's in the center, you can hit apply or OK. And that's really all there is to a text box. The rich text box, sometimes it does look a little bit fuzzy. That's just the display. That might get better in the future, but for now, if you do see that there's a little bit of kind of a blurriness to it, that's just a small bug that only affects the display in the print layout. Once you print it, it actually prints very clear. Sometimes it helps to just zoom to 100% here, and that can also make it look a little bit more accurate to what you're going to see when you print it. So that's all I have for that one. Thank you.